Ngayong alam na natin kung ano ang non-life insurance, let's focus naman sa isa sa mga basic insurance policies na ino-offer nila, yung home or fire insurance. Naisip mo na ba kung gaano kahalaga ang isang bahay? It's not just a place to stay. It's where safety, comfort, and a sense of belonging come together. After a long day, nothing beats the feeling of having a space to relax and recharge. Basic fire insurance provides financial protection for your home, covering losses and physical damage caused by fire and/or lightning. A home is more than just a physical structure. It's a place of security and peace of mind, a refuge from uncertainties in the outside world. Ang sarap lang isipin na mayroong safe space na pwedeng balikan at pag-uwian sa pagtatapos ng araw. Pero minsan, may mga pangyayaring hindi inaasahan. In just one moment, a home can be damaged by fire, along with everything inside it. Hindi lang ito isang emotional loss, pero malaking gastos din ang kailangan para makabangon muli. Although no one knows when a disaster might happen, there are ways to stay prepared. Having the right protection ensures peace of mind and financial security during difficult times. That's why fire insurance is essential, providing the support needed to recover and rebuild when it matters most. For extra protection, pwedeng-pwede tayong magdagdag ng tinatawag natin na allied coverages sa iyong fire insurance. These coverages help protect your home against additional risks, katulad ng earthquakes, typhoons, floods, riots, strikes, or intentional damage by others. This means you'll have financial support to recover from these events if they occur. Adding these extra coverages strengthens your insurance plan and helps you rebuild more quickly with less financial strain. Fire insurance is not just about protecting your house. It also provides added peace of mind, knowing you're better prepared for unexpected events. Insure to be sure.